The upcoming iOS 26.3 update from Apple, building on the major iOS 26 release, is shaping up as a significant early-year refresh, expected to roll out publicly in late January 2026, or possibly in early February if final testing requires additional time. Unlike a full operating system overhaul, this point release focuses on quality-of-life improvements, performance optimizations, and refinements to existing features, ensuring iPhones run smoother, faster, and more efficiently. Early beta indications suggest several practical additions, including a simplified tool for transferring data to Android devices, enhanced notification forwarding to third-party wearables, and subtle system tweaks such as improved wallpapers, updated interface behaviors, and refinements to core apps. Apple is also prioritizing stability and bug fixes, addressing issues from earlier iOS 26 versions to enhance reliability, security, and overall performance across supported devices. In addition, iOS 26.3 introduces expanded interoperability within the Apple ecosystem, making interactions between iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches more seamless. Users can expect smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and improved battery management due to under-the-hood optimizations. Small but meaningful changes in the user interface, notifications, and system gestures are also anticipated, contributing to a more intuitive and polished experience. Overall, iOS 26.3 aims to strengthen the foundation of iOS 26, making iPhones more responsive, secure, and user-friendly while preparing the platform for larger updates later in the year. With these enhancements, Apple continues its strategy of iterative improvements, offering users a more connected, stable, and feature-rich iPhone experience.